Hi, lovely people. How are you? If you read from my description, I will be unboxing the February 2019 Macy's Beauty Box. I didn't do this on my channel last month because I've been getting boxes so late, so I was surprised I got it this early. Like my Allure beauty box, the last 2 months, December and January, I got it like the last day of the month. So I didn't bother doing unboxing. So hopefully Allure will send it to me early like Macy's is, because that sucks when I see everybody unbox it and I'm just like, where's my box? Because they sure enough take the money from you the first week of the month. All right, enough of me with my little, tyrant. So let's open her up. I have no idea what's even in here. I haven't even opened her up. It just came in the mail today. All right, so this is why I usually like to open these up ahead of time. Usually it's taped up. What in the world is... Okay, let's see. I don't know what in the world... All right, let's do it like this. This is why I always have them unboxed before I start my channel, because if you're an OG of mine, you know I don't edit my videos. All right, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because you will see in a few days, I've been saying for a while, I'm going to have a nice giveaway in a few days, and it's for my 2-year anniversary, so you just make sure that you're subscribed so you can get on the giveaway. All right, now this is nice. Look at this bag. I like this a lot, a lot. So it comes with this little pamphlet that tells you what everything is and what the full size value would be. And then you always get a $5 off on Macy's. You can do it online as well. And sometimes you get a $10 off. So with this $5, even though this is $15 a month, you're really paying $10. So I like that. All right, let me put this box down. All right, let's open, oh Jesus, dropping stuff. All right, so let's open her up. I mean, I really like this bag. So, and then here is pink. All right. So one thing I like about this too, it always comes with everything wrapped up, and on here it does say Macy's right there. I mean, I really do like that. All right, Anne, how many times can I say I really like it? All right, let's open this up and get it prepared. I'm going to unwrap this. I don't even think I've seen any spoilers for February. Okay. So you get a few things. All right, what the heck is this? Breast petals. Disposable one-time use. Available at Macy's. Okay, I don't think I've ever got this in a subscription box. I mean, a few months ago, we got underwear in this box. This is a beauty box, but I guess it is beauty related. All right, what does it say? So for a pack of 3, this would be $7, but this is just one in here. It says, because special events and formal wear call for smooth silhouettes, this beauty box bonus is a necessity for your emergency glam kit. Pack of 3 is $7. Pro tip: apply for a little extra coverage when there's not too much room for more. Okay, moving on. The next thing we got here is from Derma Blend. So this is a very small size, but with these Derma Blend powders, you really don't need a whole lot. All right, this is a loose setting powder, and this would be, oh, this is open. Look at this. Okay, this would be, oh, I guess $12. I guess that's how much you would pay for this, because they're normally like close to $40. So let's say, okay, so it does have the safety seal on there, if you can see. Now this is white. I don't like to wear white powder because you do get flashbacks and it just looks too pale on me. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway. A lot of times I do Ipsy versus Ipsy, and I put things aside, and when I fill up a little bag, I have a giveaway, so I'll put that in that giveaway. All right, the next thing we got is from Origins. This is a retexturizing mask with rose clay, so that's good, and this is a decent size. Let's see if you guys can see. And see at the light, it's like filled up to about here, so that's pretty good. You could probably use this a couple times. All right, so this would be $28 if it was full size. So that's good. All right, what else do we got? So then we have this. We got a bunch of things in here. All right, so oh, this looks like a full-size Anastasia lipstick. So that makes the bag too. What does it say? American Doll, I think that's what it says the name is. Yep, so Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in American Doll. And this is full size, and this retails for $20. So let's do a little swatch. So I like these applicators when they're like flat like that. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. It doesn't really have like a scent to it, which I don't care about that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I like that a lot. All right, what else do we got? Oh my God, I'm dropping stuff all over. Okay. I don't edit, guys. All right, so then we have a small little beauty blender, which I really like these for when I do my concealer. I just tap, 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 tap. So that's good. All right, so this would be $18 for two of them. So I don't know what just happened to my screen there. So we got one. So I guess that would be retail value for $9. And then we have this little sample size Clinique High Impact Mascara. So I have tried this before, and I do like it. Right there. You guys can see. And this says for a full size would be $19. And then we have a little sample size of this Black Opium by YSL. I'm not even going to open that. I'm going to leave it in there because I'll probably put that in a giveaway as well. And this says it would be, for a 1 ounce, it's $72. And it is in, let's see, it's warm, spicy blend of vanilla, coffee beans, and white flowers is a must-have. So that's good too. So let's recap what we got. Now, remember, we have a $5 off coupon for something. So we have the sample size of YSL. We have a pretty decent size mask. So I'm not knocking that. We have a little travel size Clinique mascara. I'm not going to open it to show you the wand because I have so many of these open. I don't want it to go bad. We have this little sample size of the Derma Blend right there, which will go in a giveaway. We got this little beauty blender, and even though it looks so small, when you dampen it, it does get a lot, not a lot bigger, but it does get a little bit bigger. And then we have like disposable pasties. And we have a full-size lipstick, which the color is absolutely gorgeous. So I definitely think this is worth the $15 this month. Sometimes it's like hit and misses, but for the most part, I think it's pretty good because I'm the type that I don't mind. There are some people that just want to get makeup, but I don't mind to get skincare. So I love this. And I don't mind getting little sample sizes of things so that you can try it out because you do get higher end brands to try out. So I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure that you like this video because it does help me out. Make sure that you are subscribed so you can get in on the giveaway. I have a couple giveaways coming up, and I think that's all that I have to say. I love you guys, and as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.